In Dynaway, we know that users often don't know what to do after installing an app from app stores. That's why we prepared this video to help you get started. If you have just installed Dynaway EAM for Business Central from app stores, there are some steps that you need to go through to set it up. The first step is to generate the license. Go to your Business Central and in the search bar type EAM license, and then click on EAM license information. As you can see, it says that the license is missing. To get it, click on Register to get a license. This will take you to Dynaway's page, where you need to fill in some basic information about you, your Business Central tenant ID, and environment name. You can copy both your Business Central tenant ID and your environment name from your EAM license information in your BC. Below, you have to choose one of our subscription plans. For a free version, select the Starter plan, select the number of users you plan to have in your EAM, and click Start Now. Don't forget to check your inbox for additional instructions and information about setting up the system. When you now go back to your Business Central and click Update License, you are ready to go. Under the Current License tab, you can see the details of your license, including the number of licensed users, the features that you can use in the system, and so on. As the next step in setting up the system, you can use Assisted Setup directly in Business Central. Here, you'll be able to set up assets, work orders, and start migrating your assets into BC. When you are done with Assisted Setup, it's time to create your first work order and to start improving your maintenance. You can always find more information on our homepage on dynaway.com/eambc or in our documentation on help.dynaway.com.